guys, what's up? It's your girl Sadie back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a slime review. There's so much slime in here, but today we're going to be doing a slime review, and yeah, so let's get on with the video. So the first one we are going to do is a slime smoothie, as you can tell. And this is just Emma's slime smoothie, aka my sister. It's real thick. It has a lot of different slimes in it. It has some bad slimes, some good slimes. It has runny slimes, butter slimes, fluffy slime. So it's all big in one. Glitter slimes, everything. So yeah, it's not very. It is very stretchy, but it doesn't really like stretch when you try to do a bubble or something. It's real good. So yeah, let's get on to the next one now. So the next one I have is a sandstorm. I didn't name this one, actually. I got this from one of you guys. So it's really small. And yeah, let's get on to the next one. So the next one we have is, of course, we had to get this one. It was a dark green apple slime. It's very pretty, very glossy. It's very good slime. And yeah, let's get on to the next one. So the next one is a cookie dough one. It has a very nice texture. Sorry for those hairs right there. I'll get those out later. It's a very good slime. So my cousin was playing with this one, and he got his hair in this one. So we have to get those out. It's a really clicky slime. It's really good. It has a really nice texture. It feels like cookie dough almost. It's like a butter slime kind of, but not all the way. It has a really nice texture. You can tell when it has a nice texture because of that. Like how it looks and stuff, you can really tell. And yeah, let's get on to the next one. So you know, your girl couldn't leave this one out. The blue bubble gum. It's really glossy. It's really nice. So what I did for this one to be so glossy was I made a regular batch of slime, and of course it was white. I used borax solution, so it was still white. So I added some of my eyeshadow to it, my blue eyeshadow, because I never use it, and it just made this pearlescent kind of color. Really clicky. Pops a lot. Really love this one. Let's do an Insta swirl. That was good. And yeah, let's get on to the next one. So the next one is buttermilk. This one's very fun. It has a nice texture. So it does click. Has a real nice texture. It's supposed to be kind of like the cookie dough. It feels just like the cookie dough. And yeah, let's get on to the next one. So the next one is a blue cotton candy one. I just named this one blue cotton candy because it just looked a little bit like cotton candy.
I love you.
And
Where's the brush at?
yeah, so let's get on to the next one. So the next one is purple raspberry.
Yeah.
What?
Come here. Yeah. Move her chair with me. Okay.
It's just kind of like a putty. And yeah, let's get on to the next one. So I just found out that's all of them that I have. Wait, there's one more, sorry. So the next one is a blue sky one. Didn't see this one. It's kind of like a foam slime. And yeah, I hope you liked this video. Give it a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. And yeah, hope you enjoyed.